Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple and easy pellet gun target. So all you need is one big piece of wood, a little small block. It can be any block. I just have a 2x4. And first you'll take it, put it on whatever side you're not going to shoot at, put it on that side. Try putting it in the center of the board, up towards the top. Then you'll take your screw, screw in, screw it in, screw in one, and you'll line up this side. Line up this side, screw this one in. Okay, now that I got that on there, then you'll take this, put it under it like that. You'll find where you want it to stand, where it's straight, and you'll put a screw into it. Put your screw in, and you stand it up towards straight. There you go. Get your own little target. So you can take an actual target. You can pin it onto the board if you want. But usually I'll just take a permanent marker, make a dot, and you can shoot at that. I hope you like and subscribe.